Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi encourages tech companies to foster bilateral collaborations across various sectors. States and union territories expanded beneficiary base of Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Deputy CM Snyao Bhalang Dhar holds special meeting with AAI to discuss expansion plans for Umroi Airport. Nusu urges Vice Chancellor to convene urgent academic council meeting on 10-point grading system. And VPP unlikely to dominate upcoming MDC elections, says Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the 21st century is technology-driven and there is a need to balance technology with democratic values for human welfare. Prime Minister said this during his interaction with tech industry leaders in New York in a roundtable anchored by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT School of Engineering. Addressing the industry leaders, PM Modi said that he always sees them as fellow travelers and co-partners in the development journey of a self-reliant and strong India. He expressed confidence that together, tech companies from India and America will play an important role in solving global challenges.
टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन है। शायद ही जीवन का कोई क्षेत्र ऐसा होगा कि जिसको अब टेक्नोलॉजी ड्राइव न करती हो। किसी समय टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रभाव था, अब मैं देखता हूँ टेक्नोलॉजी ड्राइव करने वाली है। लेकिन ऐसे समय में सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी या टेक्नोलॉजी प्लस डेमोक्रेसी, इसका एक संतुलन बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि डेमोक्रेटिक वैल्यूज और टेक्नोलॉजी का मिलना मानव कल्याण की गारंटी देता है, एक विश्वास पैदा करता है।
Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (ABPMJAY) aims to provide health cover of 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization to approximately 55 crore beneficiaries, corresponding to 12.37 crore families, constituting the bottom 40% of India's population. States and UTs implementing ABPMJAY have further expanded the beneficiary base at their own cost. ABPMJAY has also expanded its beneficiary base and provides cover to ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers and helpers, transgenders and building and construction workers beneficiaries. The Deputy Chief and Transport Minister Snyao Bhalang Dhar today held a special meeting with the representatives of Airport Authority of India to chalk out for the improvement and proposed expansion of Umroi Airport. Dhar informed that for the expansion of Umroi Airport, there are some guidelines needed to be cleared by the central government. Then after that, the state government will be able to proceed for the expansion of Umroi Airport. Additional land of about 16 acres will be acquired for the expansion of Umroi Airport and 6 acres of land to be acquired for a parking bay, he added.
The possibilities kadon ang madon ka ko ani pati habang ikan bersokar ya lembaga sendiri action industry namara kartung drawing ka plan tila layout apa ini kartung berintimeter sobre tila dalam imat kan long possibility ban expand airport and they don't ka tu ani pati guidelines sebab ya keren berbagai union women kam in action ka tu ani kan proceed expansion maka expansion kat kung sorry wala mentan bang lapi import kadon galam expand senigaya the plus to hab acquire kung masakhan riu akar but extra additional land but riu akar ga parking bay jung airport.
The Northeastern Hill University Students' Union has demanded from Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla to convene an urgent academic council meeting within a week time to discuss the implementation of the 10-point grading system as recommended by the University Grants Commission UGC. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Nusu President Sandi Sotun stated that the Students' Union will decide what will be their next course of action in case the Vice-Chancellor fails to convene the Emergency Academic Council meeting.
Snow kata kajing dawa juga ni samla pulih, makaba syam kini kajing di nakalian kajungi nilai keren nilai ter nilai tai, ben nakalian kajung uru ula pen snow ye kata kajing dari nakalian kajungi ni dawa be ben kata ke emergent academic council hakaba udi ben hapok steo lem punta nakalian ga Nusu inchim nakajung ka senjam.
Rajya Sabha member W.R. Kharluki said the Voice of the People Party is unlikely to dominate the upcoming elections in the KHADC and JHADC. He told reporters that district council elections are different from Lok Sabha elections. The Rajya Sabha MP, however, admitted that there is no denying that the VPP has managed to establish itself as a formidable regional force, adding that it disseminated all political parties in the Shillong seat during the Lok Sabha polls. Speaking on ILP, Kharluki said he is not sure about the centre's intention on the state's demand for implementation of ILP. Speaking to reporters, he said the centre could have considered giving ILP to Meghalaya along with Manipur.
Isang parliamentary seat kaya MDC kaya individual Henry Hart katamla kan ba VPP kala establish di force regional force kasih macam tang po assembly ro kasim kanus nem South House nem dawar ke parti jumi kepoy assembly pas assembly South House nem de mana yang adang keren di ketua buat 1979 balai bagi yo ada ini kata gua bah 1971 is a cut off year ada kita keep young student baru kan is such a force for the government India happens.
The Awaken India movement, in collaboration with Meghalaya Awaken Concerned Citizens, today organized a peaceful rally near Shillong Civil Hospital to advocate for civil rights and demand justice. The key demand of the rally was opposition to Aadhaar. The organization rejected the mandatory implementation of Aadhaar, citing concerns over privacy and citizens' rights. They also demanded protection from enforced medical intervention. According to Banshailang Marbanyang, president of the Awaken India movement Meghalaya, the rally was not driven by personal interests but by a sense of duty to protect fundamental rights. The Hanyotrap National Youth Front, HNYF, today conducted an inspection of the Mau Plang to Wailoi Road. President of HNYF Langyong Tersat Circle, Shri Winson Well Karinki, said that the inspection aimed to assess the progress of road construction, now feasible due to improved weather conditions. Karinki urged contractors to expedite work to ensure the road's usability for local residents who suffered during the rainy season. The Northeast Centre for Technology Application and Reach, NECTAR, today conducted a one-day workshop for teachers on STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, mobilizing science and technology-based learning for schools in collaboration with Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Pune, and Smart Village Movement Meghalaya at St. Edmund's College, Shillong. The program enlightened the opportunities and prospects of STEM teaching with modern pedagogical techniques, promoting inquiry-based learning to foster curiosity and creativity among students. The National People's Party Maukarwat Bloc Committee recently held a meeting at Maukarwat Dorbar Hall and unanimously approved the name of the sitting MDC, Karnas Soshang, as the NPP candidate from Maukarwat constituency for the upcoming KHADC elections. NPP Maukarwat Block President P. Nongset said that the NPP Maukarwat Block has fulfilled its duties and will send the report to the district and the central body.
NPP yang Maukarwat Block ini, dapat jenis kita suruh tupi nomor kesan, kalau kita nanti itu extended executive committee mereka ba kalau hitung ke rai joki pada malah dulu malah kita malah pun malah dicatat pada next kan ba kalau kasur nanta jo pada pesan ini konstitusi berkuai.
The Office of the Mission Coordinator SSA Nongstoin Block organized a one-day training program at Mauklam Nongpendeng Dorbar Hall on the Unified District Information System for Education (UDIS) and School Development Management System (SDMS) for various schools within the block. The training aimed to enhance participants' understanding of UDIS and SDMS, crucial tools for improving data management and educational planning. The program was attended by B. Sinram, Block MIS Coordinator, SSA Nongstoin, in the presence of school teachers from different schools of Nongstoin Block. The executive course on bamboo handicrafts and utility products making has concluded after 2 weeks of intensive training aimed at enhancing the skills of artisans in bamboo product creation. This initiative is part of the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAM program organized by the Commerce and Industry Department of the Meghalaya government in partnership with the Northeast Cane and Bamboo Development Council NEC-BDC. The training took place at the NEC-BDC facility in Bernihat. During the closing ceremony, 24 participants were recognized for their completion of the program, which included crafting a variety of bamboo items such as baskets and mats. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 29.9 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature at 19.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 56%, while in the evening was 90%. The rainfall was recorded at 13.5 millimeter. And the forecast states light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at few places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi encourages tech companies to foster bilateral collaborations across various sectors. States and union territories expanded beneficiary base of Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Deputy CM Snyao Bhalang Dhar holds special meeting with AAI to discuss expansion of plans for Umroi Airport. Nusu urges Vice Chancellor to convene urgent Academic Council meeting on 10-point grading system. And VPP unlikely to dominate upcoming MDC elections, says Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Thank you for watching and good night.